Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. French onion soup is a tasty appetizer with lots of gooey cheese. Some recipes suggest that you caramelize the onions, which can take 45 to 60 minutes, but I'll leave this up to you. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Onion, beef broth, olive oil, unsalted butter, dry sherry, thyme, salt, black pepper, white bread, cheese, Parmesan cheese. Now let's make it. Melt butter with olive oil in a heavy bottomed pot over medium heat. Add onions, and cook until translucent. Stir constantly to prevent burning, about 15 minutes. Do not brown. Add beef broth or beef bouillon, thyme, dry sherry, and salt and black pepper. Bring to boil, reduce heat and simmer for 30 minutes. Ladle the soup into oven-safe bowls. Layer the bread on top of the soup. Layer the cheese on top of the bread. Sprinkle on the Parmesan cheese. Heat the bowls under a broiler or microwave until the cheese melts and is preferably starting to brown. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. For many more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.